So in this video, I'll show you how I made my very own portable power supply. This old power bank has a bad battery, so I decided to take out the electrical inverter. So I start off by disassembling the old power bank. The components for this build will be this electrical inverter, a pair of jumper cables, and an ammo box from Harbor Freight. Then I screwed the inverter to this Harbor Freight ammo box that I'll be using as the enclosure. Now I drill a hole for the main DC power switch and install it. Then I cut out an area for the electrical outlet. After wiring the outlet, I test the portable power supply. After testing it, I installed the 4-amp circuit breaker. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions on how I built this, please leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help anyone out. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.